All projects have to start with a scope. This is the part of the planning which determines aspects such as features, deliverables, tasks and goals which need to be achieved in order to deliver the project. The first thing that we did as a team was to go through the module guide and identify the key tasks. We entered these tasks into an Excel spreadsheet to create a list. Working from the lecture guide and assignment brief, we were able to place the tasks into some form of order and prioritise them. This also gave us an idea of timescales and helped us to break down the tasks into the groups for planning, designing, coding and testing. The Gantt chart we produced also allowed us to allocate tasks on a weekly basis to each of the group members. The list of tasks were also put into a diagram as a form of mind map. This works as a visual aid that helps to try and ensure all aspects are covered and is another method of trying to put all the tasks and the phases in the correct order. Creating a Moscow model proved more difficult as we felt that all aspects of the coding and testing would fall into the must category. Part of the planning would fall into the should category, as we did feel that there was some repetition, as in the same information displayed as a list and as a diagram. Also, as we were unsure of the timescales that some of the tasks would take, aspects such as the network chart have fallen into the would category. We decided to use a RAD model as our SDLC, as we felt it offered more flexibility over the other models such as the plan-driven models. Due to its adaptability and cyclic nature, we are able to identify and resolve errors and omissions as each version of code is created and not at the end of the project. The SWOT analysis helps us to identify our strengths and weaknesses as a team and to discuss our preferred roles and make suggestions for any actions should any of the weaknesses or threats come to light. We were able to use the SWOT analysis to create the risk analysis. This gave a little more detail about proposed threats and allowed us to create the policies which would be put into place if they became necessary. From here, we were able to move into the design phase.